Welcome to JDY. We have modern, well-managed facilities. There is a comprehensive showroom, and we are more than happy to show you around. We are world leaders in parcel box manufacturing. We hold certificates for the highest standards. The factory was founded in 2015 by Amy Gao. Amy brought many years of experience to the factory when she set it up, and strives to have a harmonious relationship with her customers. The business is expanding and has more than doubled in the past years, and we have doubled our factory in 2022. We have our own engineering team in-house, which has extensive experience in adding value to our customers' businesses. We developed our own ERP system to improve quality and increase our production schedule. We use the most advanced equipment available, e.g. laser cutting, CNC punching, auto bending machines, laser welding, etc. This includes our own state-of-the-art powder coating line, which ensures we can control the quality of the finished product. We always put our customers first, and aim to continuously improve ourselves.
So, if you are looking for a contract manufacturer who can produce economic scale for you, why not contact us?